Hello, in this module, we're going to continue to extend our graphical user interface using Frame. This Frame, the program is to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius in the graphical user interface. This is what we, in the previous module, we looked at this, the code. There something that we missed. I wanted to recall that button. See, we have two buttons, and the button has a lambda function in the command description, and then three parameters, three arguments are passed to function that we want to invoke, and there the values should be, if it is transferred to a sub function, then we need to declare that is a string variables. So we have a t in, text in, text output in Celsius, text output in Fahrenheit. Those three variables in string variable. What we want to do here is we want to create another the code there, check the user login, and then if login ID and password are matched, then we continue to invoke the Python program that we just built in, right? And in order to do that, we need to change the directory to, for example, users, and then JUN. This is my directory, and under there we have downloads. So we use that here. In this simple authentication, user login authentication, we used a dictionary form. So there is a login ID, and then value to that key is the password. So Yoon for John, and Mercy, the password for Mercy is a cyber. And you can do further. These are the pair of user login ID and password can be hard-coded in the dictionary, or we can put this dictionary in another file, and that file can be loaded here. And there are many ways that we can keep and protect pairs of login name and password. But in this program, we make it simple. Okay, I'm going to give you the demo. And here, first of all, login name, anything, and then I type anything. And then if we click login, then it says not registered. Of course, there is no such things. If we put here any arbitrary login and then hit the login function, then user login ID is registered, but it's not valid password. So we put here John and login, and then it can load the other frame that we built in the last module. So if you click this, then this temperature converter program came up. Only if the user credentials is valid. And from here, if we put 12 to convert to Celsius, then that is 11, 12. If it is in Celsius, then we can convert it to Fahrenheit, which is 5360s. So this is it. This is very simple, okay?